Ever wonder why your carefully styled button suddenly breaks when another developer adds their CSS? This is the nightmare CSS modules were built to prevent. CSS modules provide locally scoped styles by default. Unlike regular CSS, where class names live in a global namespace and can collide, CSS modules ensure each class name is scoped only to the component that imports it. This means two components can both use a class called button without any conflicts whatsoever. Here's where the magic happens. At build time, your bundler transforms every class name into a unique identifier. A simple class like container becomes something like button_container_3x7k9. This transformation is completely automatic, giving you isolation without any manual work. To use CSS modules, follow the .module.css naming convention. Create a file like button.module.css, write your standard CSS, then import it as an object in your component. Access classes using dot notation like styles.button. Your original class names become properties on that imported object. Why do developers love CSS modules? You get rock-solid maintainability because styles are co-located with components. You write plain CSS without learning new syntax or installing additional libraries. And best of all, there's zero runtime overhead since everything happens at build time. CSS modules give you automatic style scoping through build time transformations, eliminating conflicts while keeping your workflow simple. Want to master more React patterns? Hit subscribe and we'll see you in the next video. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.